How to fix TikTok can't create account. So hi guys, today I'm going to talk about how to fix TikTok cannot create account. So to fix this issue, the first thing what you can do is, if you are trying to create an account using a phone number and it fails, try using a new email address or vice versa. And if that doesn't work, what you can do is upload the app on your iOS device. Just go to your iOS device's settings, then go to General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Now find TikTok and then tap Upload the app. Now, once you tap Upload the app, immediately reinstall the app entirely. Now the next thing what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then find TikTok, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.